Lime system, we believe in integrated solutions. And this is a great example of it. This is a doctoring machine for jumbo rolls coming from the printing department. The objective is to take this printed roll, have 100% inspection with our partners AVT, with the Apollo camera, the 4K camera has an extremely high resolution, and thanks to the new LED technology, we can really inspect any type of substrate: clear film, matte, laminated, metalized. Once a significant defect was detected by the system, the defect image is shown clearly on a screen, and the rewinder automatically stops and goes back to the defect location in order to be removed. At 1400 millimeter web, we can get a defect up to 0.35 square millimeters defect. This machine has an extremely easy setup because we can clearly identify the type of mistakes that are not acceptable for a specific customer or project, and we can play with the sensitivity on the screen with a very simple touch panel system. The integration between Lime's bidirectional doctoring machine and Apollo's inspection system is the most powerful quality assurance platform available today in the market. So come test it yourself.